Chinese pharmaceutical companies have always found it pretty difficult to monetize their patents and all the R&D that goes into them. But a national pilot program will hopefully solve that problem. The Shanghai government is now working with a German manufacturer to help more small and medium-sized pharmaceutical companies to get their medicines into the market. Jiayi has more.
More than 300 small and medium-sized biopharma companies have settled in the Zhangjiang High-Tech Park, part of the city's plans to strengthen medical research and development projects. For the last 4 years, Zhangjiang's pharma companies have been showing great potential. 1 out of the 3 new drug patents approved by the government now comes out of Zhangjiang, and 1/3 of the government funding for new medicine research goes into Zhangjiang. But the end results aren't so good. Very few of Zhangjiang's new drugs are ending up on sale. The bottleneck lies with a long-standing regulation from the State Food and Drug Administration. Pharma companies that want to market their new drugs have to produce the medicine at their own facility. But many companies don't have enough money to build a costly production line, so they have to sell their patents cheaply to other companies, making far less money than they would have if they can sell the drugs themselves. That's about to change, however.
The new government trial will help save all that trouble. Companies with the new drug patents approved can hire contract manufacturers to mass produce their drugs while still enjoying the patent rights. In the past, many pharmaceutical companies had to sell their patents to other companies very cheaply. This new system helps to encourage more innovation. For research companies, they don't have to worry about building facilities anymore, so they can be more focused on R&D.
The company that will be doing the producing is the German firm BI, the first and only qualified contract manufacturer so far approved by the Zhangjiang government's pilot production plan. The company has invested more than 70 million euros in its first phase project. At least 4 Chinese pharma companies have signed contracts with BI to industrialize their new drugs. Zhangjiang authorities also set up a 50 million yuan fund to ensure the trial products. BI says it hopes it will act as a bridge for Chinese young pharma companies to the rest of the world.
We hope that this site in China will help improve the quality of the medicines here and help Chinese medicines enter global markets. We understand that different regions have different standards for new drugs, but we can solve that by improving quality so they can meet all the standards. Also, we can help foreign pharmaceutical companies enter China by introducing Chinese standards to them, so it can help companies both here and abroad.
In January this year, the National Development and Reform Commission issued the 13th Five-Year Plan for the development of the biopharmaceutical industry, which specified the top priorities as being accelerating innovation, production, and the industrialization of new medicines. The plan includes 9 other similar pilot projects that are being launched nationwide. Jiayi, ICS for CGTN, Shanghai.